REBN stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Reborn Coffee, sitting at $5.12, 55% up. I absolutely love the price just picking, you know, up. And guess what my bias on this was? Exactly that, baby. Like exactly that. I've gotten thousands of preparations over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentors. I've documented everything, and generally speaking, I'm still looking forward to doubling down on that bullish market. You know, I'm just trying to milk the most that I can out of this. So, how exactly? With limits, you know, with orders. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. What happens if the price does come down, hits the demands? I mean, just another opportunity to look for that confirmation to take it up. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.